You can look back. Yeah, you. You can look back. Yeah, you're good. Well, what do you want to talk about? So? Hey. Hey. I always had shit to talk about. I don't have anything to. Well, I guess you could talk about not knowing what to talk about. What's a chitterling? Oh, chitterlings, also known as chitlins. Why didn't you just say that? Are a type of food, specifically the large intestines of a pig, that are popular in many parts of the world, including the United States, Caribbean, Latin America, Western Asia, and Europe. They are often considered a delicacy or a comfort food and are frequently eaten during Thanksgiving. How do they make? Generally, aren't they fried? Chitterlings are well known to Americans, particularly within the soul food tradition, are enjoyed by various cultures around the world. Preparation, they require extensive cleaning and cooking, including boiling or stewing for several hours, and maybe fried afterwards. Yeah, I would eat that. I don't think that I've had a chitlin. Have you ever had a pork rind? I had a pork rind. They're good. They're kind of too crunchy for me. No. No, everybody's like, oh, you should act. When are you going to start acting? And I'm like, why are you saying that to me? What does this all mean? Because nobody asked me to act in anything. Ever. Except for one time. Maybe one other time. But I don't get that. I don't ever get that. I mean, I get it. Because I would love to act. But nobody's asking me to act in their film. Yeah, I acted one time. My dream role, I want to be like an assassin. I want to like do action stuff. Martial arts. Well choreographed fighting. Not just well, but like artful, beautiful, artful fighting. I want to do that. And like cool shit. I don't want to just fight. I want to like do like dope shit. You know what I mean? Turn away. Don't look. Don't look. Turn away. Can everyone turn around? Tell me when you're not looking. Let me know when you're not looking. Are you looking? You're not? Okay, turn around if you're looking. You just said that you're looking. Turn around. Close your eyes. Don't look. Just for a second. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, cool. All right, okay, don't look. You're not looking? Okay. Are you sure? Okay, great. Okay. Okay, open your eyes. Okay, you can turn around. You can turn back around. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hi. Welcome back. Nothing, I'm just hanging out. Hey. I love this. Hey. I love that. Hey. You didn't see smoke. That was your screen. Your phone is dirty. Here. Take that. Clean your phone screen. No, you can't get a Hoya. No, you can't get a Hoya. I'm not giving you that. I charge for that now. I show off too much fucking boobs. Is it hard for you? Is it? Oh. Is it difficult to sit there and watch me exist? Are you scared of what you're feeling? Are you scared of how I make you feel? You want to turn the AC on? Turn it down a little bit. Go ahead. Twist the thermostat. Give the thermostat a little jiggle. Go ahead. Don't be shy. I know you're getting hot. I can't believe people get mad at boobs. Don't look at me. You're here because this is where you wanted to be. But I can't believe people look at boobs and go like, huh, huh. Or look at boobs and go, there's two ways that people look at boobs, that they should not look at them. And it's, and that's actually the third way to look at boobs that you shouldn't. Oh, that, yeah, like that, wait. You should never do that. Just completely neutral. Or sometimes even kind of like, it's another way to look at them, that you should look at them like. That's an okay way to look at boobs. I just want to teach you. I'm going to teach you guys. You know, and I feel like this is a learning experience. And everyone doesn't love a good melon. Same as people who don't like chocolate. Like people who don't like chocolate, I want their brains to be studied. I wonder what that is. You know? I understand like raw cocoa, because that alone doesn't taste that great. But you put a bunch of sugar in it. Oh! Oh! Delicious! Oh my God. So I never understood that. No, Jennifer. Oh, I wanna. Jennifer Coolidge is more like. This is more Liza Minnelli. Like, oh yes. Oh my God. Oh wow. Kind of like that. A little more. That's not obviously great, but Jennifer Coolidge is a little more whispery. Sometimes it's almost like she's yelling, but also whispering. Like that kind of. The other one's Liza. The best that I could do. I lost my vocals. You don't hear me? I want a hot dog real bad. Yeah, I'm gonna try to actually stream properly at some point. I want a game. But like in a studio in like a nice gaming room, and set that up at some point so that you guys can enjoy. And I want to like cam up and use a microphone. I want to like do the whole nine, the whole shebang. Oh my God. I'm gonna throw up. I just drank so much boba. I just drank so much fucking boba. Ow. My stomach hurts. It's too much. Ow. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh my God. I feel it on the side of my tit, like stings. Oh, that's trapped gas. My neck hurts. My stomach hurts. Fucking boy. Show the boobs, yeah. Show the boobs. Yeah. Show the boobs. Show them. Drop the album. Yeah. Yeah. Drop the